Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, hi. Shall we start?
Hi, yeah. Actually, I'm not able to see you.
Yeah, I've turned off the video. It's not required. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Wait a minute. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. So, today what we have to do, we have to start with that pronunciation topic, right? That ABCD.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So I hope you have seen that all that thing. You have seen that videos which I gave you last time.
Yeah, I saw the first demo video.
Okay. Okay. Good.
One I saw in which your wife was teaching, which is on YouTube. That ABCD wala. And another also I saw one of those pen drive wala lectures. The first video I saw.
Yeah. That is
I
a new
saw
one.
that. Yeah.
Exactly, that is a new one. So see, today we have to start with the pronunciation. Okay. So whenever we start
Okay.
a new language, now we start with the letters. We start with that ABCD and all that. Okay. So when we start a new language, we have to start with the letters. You have to understand what script we are using, what letters are there, what are
Okay.
their respective sounds, and so on. Okay.
Okay.
So if you have
Okay.
seen those videos, there I have taught you one ABCD. One ABCD video is
Yeah.
there, something like ABCD, AFG, so on.
Uh,
Right? So
uh.
I'm playing this video. I'm
Yeah.
playing it twice. Right? Listen to it, and
Okay.
then we'll compare it with the
Okay.
English. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z.
Right?
Yes.
So now you have to repeat with me. Okay, speak them. ABCD,
A,
B,
B,
huh?
C,
D,
D,
AFG,
A. E
AFG,
is A, right?
yeah, AFG,
K. H
yeah.
is ha.
Ha, E,
I
yacht ka,
is
LMNO,
E.
pay,
L, M, N, O, I think are the same.
LMNO, pay,
P,
Ha, E,
L, M,
yacht,
N,
J is
P,
yacht. Hmm.
Q, Q,
Not Q, it's Q.
Q,
Okay.
Q.
Q, R, S,
A,
T,
N, R
S,
is I think
R.
N.
Okay. Yeah.
S,
Hmm.
T,
Hmm. U,
U
far
is
away.
U is U.
U, far away.
V is for.
Mm-hmm.
W is way.
Hmm.
X is
X.
X.
Hmm.
Y is epsilon. And
Epsilon.
Z is epsilon or epsilon. I don't know.
Epsilon.
Epsilon.
Epsilon. Epsilon.
Epsilon. And Z is Z.
It's
Uh,
epsilon and then set.
Z. So it is
Set.
Z, na? Z.
Ta and sa is mixed. Set.
Set.
Okay?
Set.
Yeah. So I
Yeah.
am playing it again. Listen to it.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, now repeat with me. ABCD,
A, B, C, D,
AFG,
A,
hmm, hmm,
F, G,
HIJK,
H, E, Yacht, K,
LMNOP,
L, M, N, O, P,
QRST,
Q, N, S, T,
UVW,
U, V, V,
XYZ.
X, X, Epsilon, Z,
Yeah,
Z,
set. Okay,
Z.
good. Now we are starting with the rules. So I hope you can see my PDF. You can see my screens.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay. So as I told you, see German uses the same Roman set of letters from A till Z.
Okay,
Okay. So we have two parts, vowels and consonants. Vowels are your A, E, I, O, U. Consonants are B, C, D till Z. The remaining 21 letters. Right.
okay,
Now what we have to do? We
okay,
have to start with the rules of these letters. Okay. Rules means like what is the sound of A, what is the sound of B, so on. So I'm
okay,
drawing one table BDG Try to understand this. Whenever any word, if it is ending with B, D or G in German, okay, any word
okay,
if it is ending with B, D or G in German, then the sound will be per, ta and ka respectively.
okay,
Okay. In the end of the word, if B,
okay.
D or G is coming, then respectively the sound of the word will be per, ta and ka. Getting?
So per becomes per.
Sound becomes not letter. Okay.
Okay,
And
okay,
B in the end is per and G in the end becomes
okay,
ka.
okay.
Right? Okay, so speak the
Yeah.
examples there.
Gip,
Geep, long E, geep.
gip,
Hmm,
gip,
hmm, hmm,
kint,
hmm.
and tak.
Tak. Okay, good. Geep, kint
So
and tak.
tak, it will be tak or tak.
Tak. G in the end is ka. Tak.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah, yeah.
Geep means give, kint is child, tak is day. Now the next vowel which we have is A. You can see my screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Can the screen be a bit bigger?
Yeah. Now better?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So for the next letter which we have is A. Okay. A is having two
A.
sounds, A and A.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay,
A is having two sounds, A and A. After A, if it is one consonant, then it will have the A sound.
okay.
Right? After A, if it is one
Ah,
consonant, it will have the A sound. Otherwise, A.
uh,
Otherwise, A. Okay.
mm.
So you have to count the consonants 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So see, after A, how many consonants are there?
Two, L and T, two.
Two are there. So A sound will come. Speak alt.
Uh, alt. Okay.
Okay. Then after that,
Yeah.
FRAGEN. After A, how many? Directly.
One.
So A
One.
sound, fragen.
Dragon.
Right?
Ah,
Then
dragon.
after A, how many? Directly.
Again one.
Again A sound. Speak. Tragen.
Dragon. So
Okay.
it is
Alt.
un. En
Hmm.
is un.
Yeah. Alt, fragen and tragen.
Okay.
Okay. Next is E. E is having the A sound. Just like you have the word payment or pay. That AYA
A.
sound, that is the sound of German E. So speak the example.
A.
SN.
Sn.
Then egal.
Egal.
Hmm.
Egal.
SN and egal. Next is I. I is having two sounds, long E and short E.
Okay.
Okay, I is having two sounds, long E and short E.
E.
Yeah,
Okay.
long E and short E. After I, if it is one consonant. After I, if it is one consonant, then long E, otherwise short E.
Okay.
Okay, so speak the example.
Okay. So this has two consonants. Ist.
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 Mm-hmm.
Ist.
Mm-hmm. Next.
अच्छा. Widder.
Bidder. Yeah.
Widder.
Next.
Um, build.
Built. Okay.
Okay.
Ist,
Okay.
wieder, and built. After I, it is more than one, so short E. Here after I, it is one, so long E. Here after I, it is two, so again short E.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now
Yeah,
again, yeah. Now again, see here, Geep, Kint, and Tag. Okay. After I, how many?
One.
One.
Okay, that is
One.
why it is keep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Long E. That's why it is Geep. Okay. Then Kind. After I, how many?
Two. So kint.
Short E.
Okay.
Kint. Okay.
Okay.
Then Tag.
Mm-hmm.
After A, how many?
One. So
One.
ta.
So Tak. Okay. Geep, Kint, and Tak. Got it? Okay. Then next is O. O is having two sounds. O is having two sounds. After O, if it is one consonant, then O. O for Korea or O for Oman. Right?
Okay. Oh.
O for Korea or O for Oman. And after O, if it is more than one, then it will
Okay.
be O for awesome.
Oh,
O for
okay.
awesome. So
Oh.
speak the first example.
So that is one.
Hmm.
Order.
Order.
Order. Okay.
Okay.
Then
Next.
soul.
Zol. After O, it is two consonants, so O sound. Zol.
Zol.
Yeah. Hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Next.
Uh, monad.
Monad. After O,
Monad.
it is After O, it is one consonant. After A, it is one consonant. So monad.
And cork.
Cork. Okay. Got it? Everything. Order, Zol, monad, and cork. Next is U. U is having the U sound. U is having the U sound. Neither it is short nor it is long. Okay. Neither it is short nor it is long. So that is having a normal U sound. So speak the example.
Uh,
Hmm. Hmm. Tune.
tune.
Next.
Tune.
Hmm.
Mutter.
Mutter. Next. Next.
Shoe.
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 Okay.
Shoe.
Right. Got it? Tune, mutter, and shoe. Tell me any doubt till here?
No doubt.
Hmm.
No doubt. Yeah.
Okay. So now I am sending you this PDF file. First of all, download the file, go through the rules A, E, I, O, U for 5 minutes. And then you will explain me in short the rule and the example. Okay. Download the file. I have sent you on the Skype chat.
Acha.
Yeah. Got the file?
Yeah. Yeah. It's opening.
Okay. So go through the rule for 2-3 minutes. You go through the rule. Let me know if you have any doubt and then we'll discuss it again. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, done. Done.
Yeah.
Okay, you can see my screen. Explaining the rule and the
Yeah.
example. Okay. Yeah, start. Explaining the rule and the example.
Okay. So, first thing is K, B, D, G are replaced by per, ta, ka. Per, da, ga is replaced by per, ta, and ka.
Sound. Yeah.
So that is
Example.
why,
Hmm.
yeah, per, ta, ka sound. So that is why this first word is B is replaced by P.
हाँ,
So it is give.
yeah.
Give.
Speak only the example. Give.
Okay. Then it is kint
Next.
and tak.
Tak. Then.
Tak.
Okay. Next. A. Speak the rule and the example in short.
Okay. A, if A comes before one consonant, then it is A, and if A comes after, before two consonants, it is A. मतलब A. है ना? So this is alt. Then it is fragan. अच्छा, I wanted to ask one thing. कि this en is n or un in fragan?
Normal n बोलना normal fragan. Okay, speak normally. It will
A
automatically that
बोलते
A
हैं
sound will
वैसे.
come.
Sorry?
Speak normally. Speak fragan. Automatically the A sound will come. Fragan. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So fragan.
Next.
And this is again one consonant is there. So it is tragan.
Tragan.
Huh.
Okay. Then after A, the next letter is E. So speak the rule and the example.
E is said as A. So this is Sn. And egal.
Egal.
अच्छा, egal, हाँ, egal. Okay.
Next is I. I is having two sounds, long E and short E.
Yeah, so I, if it comes before one consonant, it is E. Like in geep, it was E. Then I with before two consonants becomes I, not I.
Yeah, short E. Okay, long E and short E.
Short E, huh.
Yeah.
Then the first word is to become to call isht. Isht. Ist.
Then Vidar.
And second word is
Vidar.
Vidar. And third word is built. Yeah.
Okay. Correct. Next is O. Speak the rule and the example.
O is if it comes again before one consonant, it is O. And if it comes before two consonants, then it is O. Then first word is
Order.
Order.
Yeah.
Order. Okay. Then second word is Sol.
Okay. Yeah. Zol.
So S is Z, na? S is
Single S is Z, not Z. Z sound. Okay. Zol.
Zol.
Yeah. Next.
Okay. Monad.
Order Zol. Monad. Next.
Monad and two consonants. Car. Cord.
Yeah. Then next is U.
U is U. So first word will be tun.
Next.
Second word will be mutter.
Next.
And third word will be shku.
Shoe. Okay.
Shoe.
SCH is sh.
Sure.
And in the and it is H. In the and the H is silent.
Acha.
Okay.
It will just be shoe.
Yeah, shoe. So later now you will see read about H. So time being just understand that H in the end is silent. Okay. Then next is consonants. Consonants, the first consonant is B. Okay. First consonant is B. B in the end is per. From the table BDGK, BDGPTK, B in the end is per.
Okay. So, acha, in the end is how?
Sound is per. And in the beginning or middle is normal B for Bombay.
Okay.
Okay. In the beginning or middle it is normal B for Bombay.
Bombay.
Right. So speak the example.
First word is
Yeah. So Belen.
Belen.
Hmm. Okay.
O is O only. Open. Open.
Yeah. Oben.
Oben.
Hmm.
Is Oben or Oben?
Oben. Normal. Speak normally. That is A sound will always come. We don't have to highlight it so much. Oben. ऐसा नहीं बोलना. We don't have to sing a song. Okay.
Okay.
Speak
Oben.
normally. The sound will automatically come. Oben.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. This is the word that came before.
Yeah. Exactly.
Cork.
That EN thing. Then cork.
Cork.
Hmm. Next.
Eat.
Deep. Okay. The next one is geep. Right? Okay. Next is C. C is having the ker sound. Okay. C is having the normal ker sound. So speak the example camping.
Okay.
They have taken this word from English.
Camping का ही बोलना है. Okay.
Yeah, they have taken this word from English, so you can speak normal camping.
Okay. So this will be camping.
You can speak camping. They have taken this word from English. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Right.
So we can say camping also.
Yes.
Okay.
Camping. You can say camping. Next is D. D in the end is stir, and beginning or middle is D for dog. Okay.
Okay.
D in the end is stir, beginning or middle is D for dog. So speak the example.
U is
Doom.
doom. Doom.
Next. Bida. EI is I. EI is a vowel combination. EI is I.
Okay, so two vowels are coming together. So because the last vowel will count, right?
No, not the last vowel will count. That is not the rule. You will see one separate topic called vowel combinations in the next class. Okay. So there what we have done. We have fixed the sounds of some combinations. So EI sound is I and IE sound is E. That is the rule.
IE is what?
IE is E. IE is E. EI is I is E.
Okay.
Okay. So speak the first example.
Yeah.
Bida.
Biter.
And
Widder.
Speak normally. Widder.
Widder. Okay.
Okay, good. Next, Bart.
Achha, Bart.
Next.
Achha, D.
Next.
Bart. And
Hunt.
Hand is
Hunt. Little bit will come in the end. That becomes hunt. Okay. So Doom, Bida, Widder, Bart, and Hunt. Next is F. F is normal. F for sound only.
Acha, fur.
Okay. F is normal for football sound. So speak the example. Foul. Okay. Foul.
Ow.
Yeah.
Foul.
AU is ow. AU is ow sound. Foul.
Ow. It is foul. Okay.
Okay. Speak the next example. Shaft.
Shaft.
SCH is sh. So that becomes shaft.
Shaft. Okay.
Next is G. G in the end is k. Okay. G in the end is k. Beginning or middle is g for gun. Right. So speak the example. Gegen.
Gegen. Tak.
Fluk. Okay, good. Right. Next is H. See my screen? H. H is very important. H in the beginning is her. Beginning is first position. It is her.
Okay.
Okay. And middle or end it is silent.
So every time it will be silent.
Everywhere. In the middle or end, everywhere it will be silent. Only in the first position it will be her.
Okay.
Okay, so
So
speak the
this is
example. Halt.
A is before two consonants. Halt. Halt.
Halt. Little bit A will come. Okay, don't make it pure halt. Put little 30-40% A. Mix it. Halt.
I got it. Halt.
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 Little bit A. Okay, little slightly. Halt.
Halt.
Next,
Okay.
Gan.
So H will
Silent. Will be silent in the
Gan.
middle.
Gan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then
And
next is
Zen.
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 Okay.
Zen.
Halt, Gan,
Written
and
Zen.
Zen. Okay. Next is J. J is year. J is year. So speak the example. Younger.
Acha. J is here. So J will be said a younger.
Younger. Okay. Right. E in the end is a and J is year sound. That becomes younger. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Next, last is Kalamanapa. KLMNP. Same sound like Hindi or English. Kalamanapa.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So speak the example. Cluster.
Uh,
Speak. Cluster.
Cluster. Cluster.
Next, chicken.
Chicken.
Next, Keller.
Keller.
Next, Will.
Will.
Next, Atman.
Atman.
Next,
Atman.
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 Next, yeah, swim.
Shrimp.
Next, Renan.
Renan. AU is brown.
Renan, brown.
Brown. Lipper.
Dipper. Okay. Got the rule? Renan, brown, and Lipper. Okay. Tell me any doubt here.
So E, if it is coming at the end, it will be or it will be very silent, na?
E will be okay, H is silent, E will be E in the end will be okay, E normally
it will be lip so that should be there in the word when we pronounce it, na, ki
yeah, little bit should be there, so that becomes lippa. Okay. Right, now download the file, go through the rules from A, E, I, O, U to B, C, D till P. Complete PDF number 1, go through it for 5-7 minutes, then we'll discuss again from the top. Okay.
Okay.
Go through it, then we'll discuss it. Okay.
Yeah, I finished it.
Okay. Start from the top. You can see my PDF. Again, you have to read the rule and the example in short. Okay.
Just a minute. Okay. Uh, first rule is कि b, d and g, be, de and ga is replaced by p, t and k. So the first word will be geet, second kint, third is tak.
Hmm.
Then,
Okay. Yeah. Next.
then a, if the bigger a is a and the smaller will be a. So the first word will be alt, alt. Second is fragan, and third is dragon.
Okay. Yeah. Next. E.
Then E. E is said as A. A. So first one will be SN. Second word will be Egal.
Yeah.
Egal. Egal. Okay. Then comes I. Small, big I is E. Big I is E, and small I is E. So, in the first word, it'll be ist. Second word will be vi- vidar. And third word will be built.
Okay. Ist, vidar, and built. Right. Okay. Next, O. After O, it is one consonant, and after O, if it is more than one, then double consonant.
Yeah. So, if one consonant is there, then O. And if double consonant is there, then O. So, in the first word, there is single consonant, so it is order. Second word is this zol, zol. And third is monad.
Monad
fourth
and
is
corp.
corp, corp. Yeah. Then comes U. U is oo. Then U is oo. So first word will be toon. Second word will be mutter.
Yeah.
Third will be shoe.
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 Okay.
Then we come to the consonants. So B is ba. If B comes last, then it becomes pa. So first word will be pelan.
Yeah.
Second word will be open. Third word will be corp. And fourth word will be geep.
Okay. Corp and geep.
Yeah.
Next is C.
Yeah. C is ka. So we can say this is camping only because it is an English word. So it is camping. Camping.
Yeah. Okay. Camping. Next D. D in the end is ta. Okay. And beginning or middle is D for dog.
Okay. So first word will be D. Doom.
Yeah.
Second word is biter. Third word will be wider.
Vidar.
Wider. Then fourth word will be batter. And fifth word will be hunter.
Okay. Dom, Bida, Vidar, Bart, and Hunt.
Hunt. F is fowl. Then comes
Yeah, fowl and shaft. Okay. Fowl and then shaft. Okay.
fowl and
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
आपको स्क्रीन नीचे करना पड़ा.
Yeah. Next is G.
Okay. G is first G is a g. If it comes in and it is k. So first word will be gagan. Second is tak. Third is cluck.
Kluk.
Cluck.
Okay. Gegen, Tag,
Yeah.
and Kluk. Next is H.
Okay. So H is her, and if H comes anywhere other than the first letter, then it is silent. So first word will be
Halt.
halt. Halt. Halti ho raha hai, halt. Okay. Second word will be H will be silent. Gan.
Yeah.
And third word will be sen.
Zen. Halt, Gen, and Zen.
Sen.
Yeah. Next is J. Speak the example of J.
J is Jung.
Yeah. Next
Junga.
K, L, M, N, P.
Okay. Sorry?
K, L, M, N, P. Speak the next example. K, L, M, N, P.
I cannot see it on the screen here. KLMNP is K is double S cluster. Chicken. Keller. Will. Atman.
Atman.
Atman. Schwim. Rennen. Brown. And Lipper.
Okay.
Okay.
Right. Okay, good.
Yeah.
K, L, M, N, P. Now, see here, now we are starting with the next rule, that is Q. Okay. So Q comes with U.
Q is Q. आपने क्या बोला? Q is
Q comes with U. Okay. So QU sound is Qua.
Always. अच्छा.
Yeah.
Qua. Okay.
So speak the
So
example.
QU together is qua, na?
Yeah, QU together is Qua and Q comes with U only, just like English quality, qualify, like this.
अच्छा, okay.
So
So
speak the
first
example.
word will be
Yeah, speak the example.
square.
Yeah.
Sideways. आगे बोलूं?
R always comes with a guttural sound, guttural raw sound. Okay? Right? So speak the example. Riser, brooder, and Schwester.
अच्छा. Brooder. Schwester. SCH is also sh, na? Schwester.
Yeah.
And Bruder. Okay, Bruder. So last में Bruder आएगा कि Bruder? मतलब र लास्ट में र आएगा ना?
It's
क्योंकि
neutral,
आपने जो
neutral,
लिखा है
Bruder,
उसमें ड
Bruder.
पे खत्म हो रहा है.
Okay, Bruder, Bruder. It's neutral. Neutral means inside the neck, raw, like this.
नहीं मतलब what you have written in English next to Bruder is BRWDUH. So
No, that is the sound. That is sound. Okay,
feeling
leave
ही
that.
नहीं आएगी ना
That is
last में.
that is just a way to speak. Okay, that means you have to keep it little bit light in the end. Broader and Schwester.
Schwester.
Okay. Next is S. Single S is the, double S is the.
Okay.
Right. Single S is the, double S is the. So speak the example.
Zingen, and SCH is show.
Zingen and Schloss.
Schloss. Okay. Okay. Hello?
Yeah. Next is T. T is T for tomato. Okay. T is T for tomato. Speak the example.
Tankan.
Yeah. Ratten.
Ratten.
Okay. Tankan and Ratten.
Achha.
Okay. Next is V. V is sound is for and W is were.
Okay. Fur is fur.
Yeah.
So this is Volkswagen. So it will
Volkswagen.
Volkswagen. Wagon.
Okay. Volkswagen. So V is were and W is were. Volkswagen.
अच्छा, W is were.
Yeah.
अब V वाला बोलना है ना, तो W वाला बोलना है मतलब.
Okay. Speak the example. Feel.
अच्छा. Wheel.
Feel.
हाँ, feel.
And
For is for. And W is for.
For. Feel for.
Wasser. नहीं, Wasser.
Yeah. Wasser.
W is for. हाँ, okay.
Wasser. Vegan. And next is wo. Okay. Feel for Wasser, vegan and wo. Next is X. X is X only. Okay. X is X only. So speak the example. X-strahlen. Speak.
X-strahlen.
Yeah. X-strahlen.
Strahlen.
Exactly. Okay. X-strahlen. Right. Next is Y. Y is we. See this image is little bit cut from here. So Y is we. Yeah. So speak the example. Yes. Twip. Okay. Next is twip. Next is Z. Z is toy and sa mix. Okay. Toy and sa mix. Sight and souk. Okay. Z is toy and sa, sight and souk.
Sight and souk. Okay. Sir.
Right? Okay. So now I'm sending you this PDF also. Please go through that. We'll do only till Z today. Okay. Yeah. Go through it till Z.
Yeah, I'm going through it.
Okay.
Yeah, I went through it.
Hmm. Okay. So now start from Q. Okay. Only the rule and the example from Q. Start. Start from.
Hello?
I'm saying start from Q. Speak the rule and the example.
Okay. So Q is said as qua,
Hmm.
and this is quare.
Hmm. Hmm.
Then R is r,
Hmm.
and I can't see the examples.
Yeah.
Can
Riser
you?
and Ruder. Okay.
Yes, it is brooder,
Hmm.
and Schwester.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Riser, Ruder, and Schwester. Next is S.
S is actually z,
Hmm.
but if it is double S, then it is sir.
Hmm.
So this is Zingen,
Hmm.
and this is SCH is show, so it is Schlosser.
Hmm.
Schloss.
Hmm.
Yes. Then train T is ter, so
Hmm.
ter is not ter. So this is
Yeah.
two,
Yeah.
three,
Yeah. Tanken and
ten,
Ratten.
ten,
Hmm.
Tanken, and Retten.
Okay. Next is V.
V.
V is
So
for,
what
W
was
is
so V
for.
is for. Yeah.
Hmm.
So it is Volkswagen.
Hmm.
Volkswagen.
Volkswagen. Okay.
Okay, huh? Wagon. Oh, okay, yeah. And I can see the
Yeah. Feel
yeah.
for,
So wheel. The V is for so feel.
feel for.
Yes. And for
Hmm.
W is verb.
Hmm.
So Wasser
Hmm.
and vegan.
Yeah. Wasser, vegan.
Vegan. Vegan. Vegan.
Hmm.
And zoo.
Okay.
Then X is X only. So X Strahlen.
Hmm.
And Y is Ui. Ui. So tweet. Tweet. Tweet.
Yeah.
And TS is it is Z is TS.
Yes. Site and
Z
Sook.
yes. Yeah. So it's sight, and
Soup.
soup. Acha, kar. Sook.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
today we have done the letters from A till Z. Okay. The second PDF we have done only till Z. You have to revise only till Z only today.
Okay.
Okay. Right. So just give me a minute. Let me close this.